Coders, welcome back to my channel where we are diving in the world of coding with clarity and fun. Today we will discovering the array list in Java. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this video is your one-step guideline. So grab a coffee and let's get started. First thing, what is an array list? Think of it as a dynamic array that can grow and shrink as needed. Unlike the standard array in Java, it is part of Java collection framework and offers a ton of flexibility. Let's quickly create an array list. Here is the code. So first thing, we start with the keyword array list, and then here we specify the type of the array list. In this example is a string, and the name for the array list equal new array list. It is initializing with elements while declaring. For example, let me change, so here is a list which is type of string, and this list is, I call it my list2 equal new, and this is the type of the list which is array list. And here we can say arrays.asList, and here we can add the element. Simple, right? You just created a list to store string. Now you may wonder why use an array list. Well, it is all about its dynamic nature. It is adjusted its size automatically and provides method for common operation like adding, removing, and search element. Okay, so let us add an element for our array list. It's very simple. So we can type the array list name, which is my list, and then .add, and then between the two quotations we add the string that we need to add to the list. So now my list is containing two items, hello and the word. Now, how we can access element? Access element is just an easy. So use the get method. For example, string element equal my list dot get 0, which is get the element number 0 because the array list is start from position 0, 1, and so on, and store that in string variables. So we can print it. So let's also print it. Run the program, and now it's print hello, which is the first element in the array. Pretty straightforward, right? Need to remove something, use the remove method. Let's say you want to remove word. So we can say my list dot remove, and then we can, between the double quotation, we specify the value that we want to remove. Iterative over array. Iterative over an array list is a common task. You can use for each loop, a standard for loop, or an iterator. Let's try for each. For item in my list, and here we are iterative over my list, and we are printing all the items. So let us run. And you can see here it just print hello. The reason for that because we already removing that word. So let us comment, then remove and run. Now it will be running the two items, which is hello and the word. There you have it, a quickly tour of array list in Java. It's a powerful tool that makes meaning list in your program much easier. Experiment with it and you will see how versed is it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more coding guidance.